Today guys, we're gonna be living in a box. As you can see, I'm in a box right now and they're taking me into the trash can. So let's wait a little bit more time. Guys, I think we're here. Let's check. Oh yeah, we're here. Oh no. Is anybody there? What's knocking on my box? Stop knocking on my box. No, please don't destroy my box. Stop! No! Guys, help me! Guys, help me now! No, you cannot come in. Close my windows. Close it. You guys, we weren't getting kidnapped. Guys, what happened to my roof? It's broke. Guys, let me fix my roof. To fix my roof, it's so hard. This one first, this one, and this one. Okay guys, my roof is fixed. Guys, I'm scared. I'm gonna play some Roblox now. So bye guys. But the ceiling is broken, so I can escape this place. I see the sun. It's so bright. I don't have any sunlight. See? My back is covering the sunlight. Oh no. The sun is so bright. Guys, I have internet here because I've been here and I can play Roblox here. Yay. Yep, papa. There's someone inside my house. Guys, get out. You get out. You're not allowed here. Phew, I escaped. Okay, bye-bye guys. I'm gonna play Roblox now.